How to fix WhatsApp desktop app unexpected error in Windows 11. Hello friends, you might find unexpected error when trying to launch a desktop app of WhatsApp. Follow the steps to fix it. The first method you can try is follow a trick. When the error message appears, don't click on OK. Instead, go to the taskbar, right click on the taskbar, select Task Manager. In the processes list, right click on WhatsApp and select End Task. Close the Task Manager, then open the WhatsApp. The WhatsApp should work perfectly. This trick has helped many users, so try this once. The second method you can try is log out and log in to the WhatsApp again. Log out on WhatsApp Android, Web, smartwatch, PC, etc. To log out, you can go to WhatsApp, click on your profile icon, and select log out. Also, log out from any linked device such as Android phone, web, smartwatch, and other. Then open WhatsApp again and log into WhatsApp on your computer. Then link the device from your phone, smartwatch, etc., where you have logged out. The next method you can try is connect the linked devices to the same network. Connect the WhatsApp Messenger on your desktop to the same network to which your phone is connected. The network may be Wi-Fi or cellular or Ethernet. The network you use on your computer. Connect your phone to the same network and see if the issue is fixed. If the WhatsApp unexpected error still occurs, then you can uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. To uninstall, click on search, type WhatsApp, right click on this app and select uninstall. Once the app is uninstalled, go to the video description and click on the link given there. After clicking the link, you will reach this page. Click on download, click on WhatsApp installer.exe and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. The issue should be fixed now. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.